Can't open JPG file in Windows 10. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can solve if you can't open a JPG file in Windows 10, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you can't open up a JPG file, so let's say you have got a certain file in JPG format over here. Now one way that you can actually try to hopefully solve it is by simply right clicking on it, clicking on the rename option and then renaming it to .png or .jpeg or something like that. Now if this method works perfectly fine for you, that's perfectly fine. If it doesn't work, then what you can try to do is you can go online and then just type in JPG converter. So type in JPG converter, and once you've done that, you'll be able to convert this photo into any of the other format. So right here you can simply go ahead and then drag and drop. It doesn't have to be the website that I use. You can use any website. You can select the format that you want to format it to. So you can just select JPG itself again, click on the convert option, download the new image, and you should be able to solve it. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.